very nice packing, very safe packing. Thank you, Treasure Music Store, for giving your customer. Okay, this is our acoustic guitar pickup. It's of Dream Maker. Its model number is DM-3. A guitar pickup. Okay, professional guitar pickup DM-3. It is suitable for all the guitar. For acoustic and classic guitar, it can be used as good quality sound output. It is better than normal recording studio, and it is the best choice for DIY CD of players. Designed by Korea. www.dreammakerguitar.com. Designed by Korea. Dream Maker. The wire is also long. Okay, so it's good. Actually, before I had this same brand, the same pickup, but different model, where it had preamp attached to it. And as I was not playing guitar in many years, so I sold that. And again I searched for that pickup to buy, but I didn't get. So this simple pickup I got. That pickup was good, so I hope this is also good, because it is a same brand. Only here the additional attached preamp is not there. Okay, yeah, simple. Okay.